This video is about Italian pizza, me and my desires.
Most of the people in the world has a lot of craze in tasting a pizza, a famous snack food, same like me. I remember during my school days in elementary geometry, my maths teacher has taught me a pizza theorem, which shows that if two or more people shares a pizza sliced in this way, by taking alternative slices, then each and every person gets an equal amount of pizza. Growing up as a kid in India, I was always fascinated and excited to try a pizza whenever I saw a Domino's Pizza advertisement back in the year 2005, where American pizza has become a most popular snack among the kids at that time in India. And also I remember that I had my first Domino's pizza with my cousins at my uncle's home. It was a vegetable pizza, contained ingredients like capsicum, processed cheese and so on. It tasted good than I expected. Soon my curiosity has become much high about the pizza. I have started trying different varieties of pizzas in some different occasions, without knowing where the pizza was originated for a long time until I got exposed to the internet. Finally, I come to know it is from Italy and the place of origin is Naples. Initially, I thought it was from United States because of Domino's Pizza, but that's not true. Then, one thing got stuck in my mind that every traditionally originated dish has its own unique flavor. If others try to imitate the same dish, it may be good, but it lacks the authenticity. Years passed after receiving my engineering degree from India. I was planning to apply for higher education in Europe. I applied for very few universities around Europe, which includes Italy as well, and I am waiting for the result. Finally, a very good news came. I got an admission in an Italian university and I accepted the offer immediately. Later, I discovered a surprising fact that my grandfather, who has worked for an Italian company named Viscosa in the year 1960 in India for around 30 years, which I didn't know before. He became so happy about my admission and started saying about a lot of good things about the Italian culture and the people. At that moment, I felt that I would have asked my grandfather about the Italian pizza a long time before. From my hometown, Coimbatore, to Italy, it's more than 7,000 kilometers. A lot of things running in my mind until I started my flight to Italy. I have never expected that I am going for higher education in Italy. I have never expected that I am going to a country which I read in Shakespeare's novel. I have never expected that I am going to taste the traditional pizza from Italy, which I am more curious about all the time. The day I landed in Italy, first I went to my accommodation place and kept all my baggages. Without taking too much time, I walked into a nearby pizza shop and I ordered for pizza margherita. At last, I had my first slice of Italian pizza on September 22nd, 2015. Now I am going to show the pizza that I had it for the first time.
Wow, it's delicious, tasty and amazing.
If you have a strong desire to come to a new country, try to accept all the challenges, don't lose hope, it will happen for sure.